Welcome back to the channel. Automotive enthusiasts, restoration junkies, and classic muscle car lovers from all around the globe. Today, we are embarkation on what is officially and undeniably the most demanding, labor-intensive, exhausting, and monumental project we have ever attempted inside this workshop. Before your very eyes stands a legendary piece of American automotive muscle history, our iconic 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. But as you can easily tell from just a single glance, this particular automotive legend has been completely and brutally forgotten by time, left to decay under the harsh elements. We discovered this absolute historical masterpiece rotting away in a remote, damp, overgrown junkyard where it sat completely untouched, abandoned, and exposed to the changing seasons for several decades. The unforgiving weather, constant moisture, and relentless passage of time have wreaked absolute havoc on its classic fastback frame. Thick, scaly, structural rust has completely eaten its way through the heavy metal body panels, creating massive holes and structural weaknesses all across the lower quarter panels, fenders, and floorboards. The front windshield is entirely shattered into a complex web of broken safety glass. The heavy steel front and rear bumpers are heavily oxidized with deep pitting, and local wild nature has literally started reclaiming the vehicle, with weeds and thick vines growing straight out of the engine bay holes and rotted hood scoops. Even the highly iconic, incredibly rare original factory Boss 429 chrome emblem is caked in thick green moss and surrounded by peeling, dry, cracked factory paint. To an ordinary person walking by, this vehicle looks like an absolute, hopeless pile of useless scrap metal that belongs nowhere else but inside an industrial metal crusher. But underneath all that heartbreaking decay, surface contamination, and structural damage, we see a rare mechanical treasure that deserves to be saved, bringing this historic asphalt shredding beast back to its former showroom glory is going to test our fabrication skills, our automotive mechanical knowledge, our patience, and our heavy-duty tools to the absolute maximum limit imaginable. The epic transformation journey officially begins right now. We hooked up the heavily rusted, structurally compromised Mustang to our heavy-duty trailer, winch and carefully transported the fragile rolling metal shell back to our main workshop facility. Once safely inside the clean environment of the garage, we positioned the classic car precisely onto our heavy-duty hydraulic twin-post lift so we could start the complete teardown process safely. An epic automotive transformation from pure junkyard scrap to a pristine showroom masterpiece. Make sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment down below sharing your favorite part of the build, and subscribe to the channel for more full build restorations. Thank you for watching.